Found this video? You're already on the right track. Together, we learn real English through movies. Train your ear, grow your vocabulary. Ready? Let's get started.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way. You say this when you are coming to someone right now. You are not there yet, but you are moving, and you are close. Now, we practice. I say the first sentence. Then, one sentence becomes yellow. That yellow sentence is for you. Read it out loud. Ready? It is Friday night. Your friends are at the restaurant, and you are still on the bus. Your phone rings, and your friend says, "Where are you? Everyone is waiting." Your turn. Read it now.
I'm on my way. 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 Hurry up, hurry up!
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Hurry up!
Hurry up. You say this when you want someone to go faster. You are waiting, the clock is running, and there is no more time. The taxi is outside. Your bag is by the door. Your sister shouts from upstairs, "Wait! I cannot find my other shoe!"
Hurry up, hurry up! Ah, no. Hurry up, kid! Wait for me, wait for me! Wait for me, wait for me! Hey!
Wait for me. You say this when someone is leaving and you want to go with them. Do not go alone. Stop, I am coming too. School is finished. Your friend is already walking to the gate and your bag is still open. She turns and says, "Come on, I'm going home now."
For me! Wait for me! For me! Take your time.
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 Take your time. You say this to make someone calm. You are not in a hurry, so they can go slowly and feel okay. Your friend is choosing a birthday card for her mother. She has 3 cards in her hand. She looks up and says, "Sorry, I am so slow today."
Take your time.
Take your time.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
I'll be right back. You say this before you leave for a very short time. 1 minute, 2 minutes, then you return. You are in a long meeting with your boss. Your bottle is empty and your mouth is dry. The water is just outside the door, so you stand up. Then you say,
Right back.
I'll be right back.
I'll be right back.
I'm working on it.
"I'm working on it." You say this when a job is not finished, but you did not forget it. It is in your hands right now. It is Monday morning. Your manager wants the sales report, and you have 3 pages ready. She stops at your desk and asks, "Is the report ready yet?"
I'm working on it.
I'm working on it.
I'm working on it.
I'll handle it.
I'll handle it.
I'll handle it.
I'll handle it.
I handle it.
I'll handle it.
"I'll handle it." You say this when there is a problem and you will take care of it. Nobody else needs to worry. Your family is at dinner and the kitchen sink starts to leak. There is water on the floor. Your mother stands up and says, "Oh no, what do we do now?"
I'll handle it.
I'll handle it. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you. You say this when you cannot answer now, but you will answer later. It is polite, and it buys you a little time. A friend is planning a trip, and he wants an answer today. You do not know your work days yet. He asks, "Can you come with us on Saturday?"
I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
I'll get back to you.
So what's the next step?
Hey, what's the next step?
What's the next step?
Now, what's the next step?
What's the next step? You ask this when one part is finished and you want to know what to do now. It shows people that you are ready. It is your first day at a new job. You finished your first task and your desk is clean. Your team leader walks past you. Then you say,
What's the next step?
What's the next step?
What's I need a favor.
I need a favor.
I need a favor.
I need a favor. You say this before you ask someone for help. It is small and friendly, and it gets their attention first. Your car is at the garage and your job starts at 8. Your neighbor is outside washing his car, so you walk over. Then you say,
I need a favor.
I need a favor.
I need a favor.
That's all for today. Pick one sentence and say it out loud right now. If this helped you, like and subscribe.